Hey guys, this is Matthew again. I have another car here, 2009 Nissan Murano. I'm working on it. There's two codes in the system, p0300 and the cylinder misfire detector. One of my mechanics, he worked in this car. Actually, we messed it up, I can say. Customer called, she was mad and she told me, okay, come and look at it. I came over and I found this code. There's a p0300. It's a catalytic converter, bank 1, low efficiency. I'm not worried about this. I'm worried about this p0300 random cylinder misfire. This is a car doing when you accelerate the car, the check engine just flashing, and it's not doing right now, but it was doing a couple of minutes ago. And it actually is running rough and stall out when you drive it. And I was checking the car. I checked the system, all the data and everything, and this is the data. You can, I don't know, you can feel it or not, the car shaking very bad, running rough. And I was checking data, the oxygen sensor and everything. I couldn't find anything in this car. It doesn't have a misfire data too. And I did the injector balance and the you can kill all injectors, and every time I try to do it, it killed the car and just died off. And just that was the car, see, going to die. And after a couple of minutes doing research, I found out this is not any mechanical problem. This is the car. So when I move it, engine running off and being tight. Gets better. Right now, I'm not running off. It's running perfectly fine. And that ground, it's a computer ground. There's two main ground. Let me delete clear the code. And that's it. And let me start the car. And the car is running way smoother. It's not doing anything right now. Let me check the code again. Yeah, I can rev it up. It's not doing any, it doesn't have any hesitation. It's not stalling out and it's running fine. That was it. That was fixed. Just make sure when you do afterburner gas, get some work in this car. Make sure, not just this car, every car, you need to put the grounds and tight it.